Out beyond the pole of Earth, where nothing stands between your eyes and the sun, the brilliant star blazes a pure, radiant white against the pitch-black backdrop of space. This is what astronauts see as they drift above our planet. No blue sky, no shimmering haze, just a white sun unfettered by clouds or atmosphere. But back on the surface of Earth, things look very different. Most days, when you glance up, never directly, at our star, you'll notice it glows with a warm yellow hue. Cameras on the ground capture this too, painting the sun in golden tones that seem comforting and familiar. So why the difference? If it's the same sun, burning with the same energy, why does its color change depending on where you are? The clue lies in the journey sunlight takes before it reaches your curious eyes. When astronauts and space probes capture images of the sun, they're seeing its true light, a blend of all the visible colors that together appear white. Earth's atmosphere, however, is bustling with invisible activity, even on the clearest day. Molecules of nitrogen, oxygen, and other gases float miles above the surface, forming an ever-shifting cloak around our world. As sunlight streams into this blanket of air, something fascinating happens. Sunlight contains all the colors in the spectrum, from deep violet to rich red. But the shorter, bluish wavelengths scatter more easily when they hit the tiny particles in the air. Think of how a beam of light splits through a prism, but here, the blue is bounced in every direction, filling the sky with blue light. Scene by scene, the transformation unfolds. Far above the atmosphere, the sun shines pure and white. As that light enters the atmospheric shield, it begins to spread and break apart, the energetic blue rays scattering haphazardly, leaving behind the slightly less energetic yellows, oranges, and reds. This scattered blue light is why, during the day, our sky is awash in blue and not black. Meanwhile, the sunlight that makes it straight through to your eye, without being scattered away, is missing some of that blue component. The result? The sun appears more yellow as its white light is subtly filtered by the atmosphere's touch. The next time you see a photo taken by an astronaut, notice how starkly white the sun appears. Compare that to a hazy photograph from your home on Earth, where the sun is a mellow disk, radiating soft yellow or even orange as it rises or sets through more of the atmosphere. In the end, the sun's color never truly changes. Its appearance is shaped by the miles of air between you and space, Earth's atmospheric layers, filtering and scattering, transforming cosmic reality into the daily phenomenons we see above. It's a subtle reminder. Even something as certain as the color of the sun depends on your point of view and the hidden influences that shape what we see.